Hello everyone, and today's look is a smoky eye look, and it's a sort of glamorous smoky eye. You can carry on your Valentine Day, or you can carry on wherever you want to go. And the good thing about this smoky eye look that I haven't applied any sort of artificial eyelashes, so still you can see this look is looking so good. So how I have created this look, watch the tutorial. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so whenever I post new videos you get the notification and you watch my videos. So first I will shape my eyebrows with my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, and the shade is medium brown. I will just fill the gaps which I have on my eyebrows, and I will not do it more because I already have quite a sort thick eyebrows, but you can see this area is still remaining. I'm taking my NYX Above and Beyond concealer. I will conceal my lid area and I will shape my eyebrows with it. After finishing my eyebrows and my eyes, I will start the tutorial, and what I will do, I will use this tape to cut my eyes from the side. Just apply it on the back of your hand to remove this thickness. You can also use the paper tape. That's a good choice, but I don't have, so I'm using. So all the thickness, it has gone, and the angle which you want. The next thing we need a black kohl pencil. So what I'm taking Makeup Forever kohl pencil, and it's in black color. So whatever black pencil you have, or either if you have like Miss Rose kajal, you can also apply it. Just roughly apply the kohl pencil because we are going to smudge it anyway. And a bit on the corners. After this, you need a small brush. This sort of a very pencil sort of brush which can smudge your eyeliner, eye pencil. The next shade we are going to take, I'm using Morphe 35F, and the color which I'm taking is this one. It's in the 4th row and above the obsidian, the last shade. I'm taking another brush and I will apply this shade above this black shade, which this black kohl pencil which I have blended. You need a clean blending brush and you have to blend it. The next shade we need is this one, which is beside the obsidian, and I'm taking the same brush. You can take another brush too, but I'm taking this one and I have cleaned it. Now I'm taking this brush which is by Body Shop, and it's a blending brush, and I'm taking this color which is matte cappuccino, if I remember correctly, and I will blend this shade with the help of matte cappuccino. With the help of clean blending brush, I will just blend everything. Now I'm taking LA Colors highlighter, and the color is Shine Bright. It's my first time to use. Now we have removed the tape, and what I will do, I will apply this kohl pencil under my eye, and I will do it under my makeup. Now I'm taking a again this is small brush, and we will smudge. In the same shade which I have applied after the black one, the same I will apply under my eye. I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply my Clinique mascara. In this makeup look, I'm not going to apply any false lashes.